Hello everyone! Every tip I'm going to share comes directly from the technicians at a well-known appliance repair shop in the city. So don't worry, because here we're going to find the solution. When a customer brings in their washing machine showing DR, they usually say something like, "It suddenly stopped and DR appeared, I can't finish the wash." At that moment, we explain that this code usually means there's a drainage problem because the machine detects that water isn't being pumped out properly and stops to protect itself from damage. Interestingly, many customers also tell us, "I washed clothes normally last night, and today, DR showed up out of nowhere." In other words, the machine is warning that something is blocking the water outlet, and it won't continue until the issue is fixed. That's why the first thing we do in the shop is check the filter and the drain hose, because often clothing debris, lint, or even coins get stuck and cause the error. One technician said, "I removed a coin that was stuck and it worked perfectly again," showing that sometimes the simplest fix solves everything. Meanwhile, if the filters and hose are clean and the error persists, we check the drain pump, which might be blocked, worn out, or have an electrical defect. As one technician explains, if the pump can't move water, the board detects the fault and throws DR to protect the washing machine. This usually happens in machines that have been in use for several years. We also check the pump connections and wiring, because a loose connector can trigger the same error. Some experts tell me, "I disconnected and reconnected everything and it started working again," showing that often there's no need to replace parts, just secure them properly. On the other hand, in rarer cases, the problem may be the electronic control board, which manages the pump and detects water flow. It's not common, but we've seen it in older machines or those exposed to power surges. One technician says, "Before thinking about replacing the board, I always check the pump and connections. Many times it was just a physical blockage."